Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to use Snapchat effects on Android. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then here you will find the effects. In here, you have to scroll to the right, and here you will find the effects you can use. So you can also search for favorites or recents, or here in recent section there would be the effects that you have recently used, and in aesthetic section there will be the effects that are sort of aesthetics, games effects, or some new effects trending on um Snapchat, or you can also find characters and tools. So yeah, this is how you can just use any Snapchat filter. You can also make the love icon on the top left, so that it will be added to your favorites. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.